In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a GetResponse Autoresponder in Adplify. This is a fantastic way to automate your email marketing and ensure you're quickly responding to your audience's needs. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your Adplify account. Go to the home page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, which is your control center for all your marketing activities. Next, we need to navigate to the Integrations section. You can usually find this in the main menu on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on that, and you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for the GetResponse option in the list. If you don't see it at first, don't worry. Sometimes it may be categorized under email marketing tools. Once you locate GetResponse, click on it to proceed. You will likely see a button that says Connect or Add Integration. Go ahead and click on that. Now, here's where you'll need your GetResponse account information. If you don't already have a GetResponse account, you'll need to create one. Just go to the GetResponse website and sign up. It's quite straightforward. However, if you do have an account, find your API key. This can usually be found in the Settings section of your GetResponse dashboard. To locate your API key, look for the Integrations and API option in your GetResponse account. Once there, you will find the API settings. You may need to generate an API key if it isn't there already. Just click on Create API Key, name your key something recognizable like Adplify Integration, and save it. You'll see a newly generated key appear. Make sure to copy this key because you'll need it for the next step. Now return to the Adplify integration page, and it's time to input that API key. Paste the key into the designated field. After pasting, you might need to add any additional information that Adplify requests, such as your account email or a specific list you want to connect to GetResponse. Once you've filled in all necessary fields, look for the Save or Connect button at the bottom of the page. Click on it, and this will finalize the integration process. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your GetResponse account is successfully integrated with Adplify. Isn't that great? Now you can start automating your email campaigns. But before you jump in, let's take a moment to ensure everything is working properly. Go back to your GetResponse dashboard and create a simple campaign if you don't have one set up yet. You can easily make a mini autoresponder series that welcomes new subscribers or just sends out a few helpful resources. Once your campaign is set up, you might want to send a test sign-up to see if everything flows smoothly. I suggest creating a dummy email address for testing. Sign up through one of your Adplify sign-up forms. Navigate back to your GetResponse account and check if the email address appears on your list. If it does, congratulations! Your integration is successfully set up and you're ready to start leveraging the full power of automated email marketing. If there were any hiccups along the way, don't hesitate to double-check your API key, as inputting it incorrectly is a common mistake. In summary, today we've walked through the entire process of integrating a GetResponse Autoresponder with Adplify. From logging into your accounts to retrieving your API key and finally connecting the two platforms. It's a simple process, but it can have a massive impact on your business capabilities. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video and found it helpful, remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your online marketing. Happy marketing!